Divisions are used to differentiate company accounting within defined entities that require fully separate trial balance reports and financial statements for all accounts. You can optionally enable divisions in Spire to activate functionality in transaction entry, budgets, and reporting, to assign to specific transactions or see consolidated amounts. In order to use divisions with your company, you first need to enable this in Company Settings. With this option selected, a new Divisions tab becomes visible. From here, you can create codes for the multiple divisions you plan to use with your chart of accounts. Initially, you will see the division code 000, which represents the consolidated company. This will store total amounts across all divisions for each account, and this cannot be removed. For each division, you need to provide a unique code and a descriptive name for reference. There is address and contact information where this is relevant. And communications can be saved with each division record. When creating new divisions, you have the opportunity to clone associated accounts, either the consolidated company or an individual division, to save you time in creating new accounts. There are also user settings for the default division used when posting transactions, and a security setting to allow change division, either for posting transactions or from the Change Location screen. When all of your divisions are created, the next step is to configure your chart of accounts for each division within the General Ledger module. Typically, each account will exist for every division, but there may be circumstances where this isn't the situation, and particular accounts only belong to some divisions. When a new account is created, in addition to the account number and location or profit center segments if these are used, you also need to specify the division that this belongs to. The combination of the division and account codes determines the unique record, along with the currency. The remainder of the account setup is exactly the same as when divisions are not used for the company. And if you save a new account where the consolidated company hasn't yet been created, then a consolidated division account is created at the same time. When you update budget and forecast amounts for your chart of accounts, these can be handled independently across divisions. In the toolbar is a drop-down field that allows you to select a specific division for displaying accounts on this list. Or perhaps you might want to select a consolidated company to see budget amounts across all companies. Or you can select all divisions to list all budget amounts for divisions for each account, which can be identified from the division column. Editing the amounts works as usual, by clicking into a monthly or annual budget or forecast and entering the desired value. Or you can use the Import Chart of Accounts procedure to change a larger volume of account budgets all at once. Wherever in Spire you can set an account, such as for default expenses or revenue, payments, or taxes, you do not include the division code with the account. Instead, the division portion of the accounting is determined when transactions are posted. If the account does not exist for that division, the accounting will go directly to the consolidated division, which may not be desirable. Most transaction entry in Spire does not give you the opportunity to select a division. Purchase orders, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and inventory transactions are processed in the usual manner, and in some cases, you will be able to see or edit the account. When they are posted, the ledger account will be associated with the division used from signing into the company. On sales orders, there is a division field available, which defaults from the sign-on value and can be edited if user security settings allow. Whichever division is selected here will be used for the accounting of the transaction. For payroll time cards, the payroll departments assigned to employees has a division, and you cannot use the consolidated company division. When time cards are posted, the respective divisions from each employee will be used for the accounting on the transactions. Ledger reports and financial statements are based only on transactions for this division with which you logged in. This division will print in the report header on each page as reference. If you would like more information about Spire accounting, access the link in the description below to our homepage. Read the online manual help for additional assistance. Watch more videos from this playlist and subscribe to the Spire YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.